Hey, give me my money.
How far do you know until they saw?
So that's scared, so I want to use that scared for us.
Oh, God, because you're scared now, you harass me. Oh, God, you cheap.
That's scared, so now I want to go jig. Better than for us.
Who is Gary? Oh, God, you.
Yeah, mama.
Oh, you did. Oh, you did. You wanna stop now? You wanna eat?
Jesus!
You guys to stop this.
Hey, Mr. What's that? Stop that! Stop that! Stop that! What's good? Stop that!
Policeman. As I was coming, and I saw both of them coming. So I was not trying to separate them. So they were still fighting. So I not trying to separate them.
Who told you to separate them? Separate us.
No. As in, I just
you here.
no, as in,
Mr. Man, you're under arrest.
for what now?
I want to hear of this. Jesus is Lord.
A few moments later.
Wahala. Court. All cases as an adjourned next week. They don't see judge phone. No.
Sure you don't hear the matter. I mean you not get after.
Stop there. Who was this house? My friend's father. Where are you coming from? I'm coming from my friend's house. Where are you going to? I'm going to my friend's house. You are sharp. You are coming for your friend's house. Yes, you are going for your friend's house. Yes, sir. You want to teach me my job, Abi.
Jesus is Lord. Ọmọ mo wá nítorí Ọlọ́run. Ó já mi lára jẹ.
Are you normal? Are you normal?
The next day.
I just had one join me pay money for free.
We need to quiet. Child.
Big money on me, nigga. I'ma run it up. Cause
Mr. Man, come here. He said, come here. What do you think you are doing? I said, police is your friend. Let me join you.
Jesus is Lord. Funke.
What do you think you are doing?
What's this?
Can you finish that biscuit?
I see money, 50 naira back.
Jesus.
I want to carry from 100.
Can you finish that
So
biscuit?
far they worry you.
Jesus.
DJ me.
So you want to teach me my job? You are challenging me.
No. I won't challenge you.
When you
Funke.
get to the city,
Ayé mi tèmi bá mi. I want to hear of this. Jesus.
Such is life. Oh! Because of allergy, I could go now for police station. Because of separate, just separate. I do bad. Will you keep quiet?
friend. So now people know I can build that shit.
Oh my God.
You are the one who will clear the police station.
Child.
We take this tire and you are the one who is going to sweep the police station. You don't know how to build now. Now work there today.
Jesus is Lord.
God, they want you.